And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year. Let me show you how you can adjust the layout. So just a couple of functions that we need. First up under view, I'm going to use the widescreen. That makes the top row of elements switch to the right hand side. And on top, we only have the specific functions for the tools that are active. And under edit, I open the preferences. Open the drop down for interface, go to theming, and here you can adjust the color. So there's light, dark mode. It's simply called differently here. I'm going to use high contrast inverse, but you can also adjust the contrast here manually. I'm going to crank it up fully. I think that's easiest on the eye for watching these videos. Another thing that's important here is the change icon theme. I'm going to use dash. It's kind of like the minimalist style, but if you prefer a different style, change it right here. Above, you can also change the font scale. So right above contrast, if the texts are too small for you, but I'm going to keep it to 100%. And this is the layout that we're going to use throughout this playlist series. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.